Good day, Mom. My name is Rosalie Paet, 36 years old, married with 2 kids. I'm 155 centimeter. I'm work experience in Saudi Arabia and 2 years and 6 months finished contract. My duties is taking care of children, washing clothes, ironing, clean the house, and I'm willing to cook Chinese food. And thank you. I'm willing to take care elder and kids, pets. I sing a song with your kids. Run wheels on the bus. Wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round. Wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round. Round and round, the wheels on the bus go round and round. All through the town. The wheels on the bus is wish, 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 wish. The wheels on the bus are wish, 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 all through the town. I hope you can hear me. Thank you.